What is one of the first upgrades you should do to your car? I'll go first. My name is Matt, and I'm an automotive journalist and professional car enthusiast. Tires should be one of the first things you look into, whether you just bought a car or you're looking to have a little bit of fun with it. By the end of this video, you should be able to decide what tires you want and generally how to choose them and what those confusing numbers on the side mean. My go-to for years has always been Kumho. They're affordable, yet have very competitive tires. Take these Exta V730 tires on the Volvo, for example. They're engineered for optimal grip in rain and dry. They're designed with special rubber compounds that stay hard in hot weather, providing excellent traction and handling. However, when the temperature drops, these compounds can become too hard or lose their grip. So, if you live in a place with harsh winters, you may want to switch them out for something more suitable like the next thing on this list. Are you running summer or performance tires? Let me know in the comments. But when Jack Frost starts jacking your frost, whatever that means, that's when winter tires come into play. Their rubber compounds are designed to stay flexible in the cold, allowing the tire to better conform with the road and provide grip. The tread patterns are specially designed to bite into the snow, the ice, and expel the slush. However, these same features can cause faster wear and less responsive handling in warm weather. Do you have a crazy winter driving story? Share in the comments and let's learn from our crazy experiences. Then we have the all-seeing, all-season tires. These trusty sneakers of the tire world use an intermediate rubber compound and tread design to provide reasonable performance in a wide range of conditions. However, all-season can be a bit of a misnomer. While they can handle light winter conditions, they won't perform as well as a true winter tire in heavy snow or icy conditions. Are you on all-season tires right now? Let us know in the comments. Then we have all-weather tires. All-weather tires are designed to perform well in a variety of conditions throughout the year. They use flexible rubber compounds like a winter tire for performance, but their tread are closer to all-season tires for better handling and wear in warm weather. However, they might not match the performance of season-specific tires in extreme conditions. Have you used all-weather tires before? Share your thoughts below. Now, let's talk specialists. Touring tires. Touring tires are about providing a smooth and quiet ride. They're good for cruising, but they may not offer the best handling or traction. Highway tires are durable beasts that are designed to handle heavy loads and high speeds, but they're not meant for rough off-road conditions. Performance tires are built for speed and precision, but their aggressive design often leads to a shorter tread life. Are you a cruiser, a hauler, or a speed demon? Tell us what tire fits your driving style in the comments. But that's not all. No. For those of you that have a thirst for adventure, we have all-terrain and mud tires. These are like the hiking boots of the tire world, designed with aggressive tread patterns for grip off-road, but their rugged design can make for a noisier ride on the pavement. Are you an off-roader? Share your most thrilling off-road adventures in the comments. Now, let's decode the tire jargon. 225, 40, 18. 225, 40, 18 isn't just some string of numbers and letters. It's telling you important things about your tire's size and type. Yes, your tire has a type. 225 tells you the width of the tire in millimeters. 40 is the aspect ratio, indicating that the height of the tire's cross-section is 40% of the width. R stands for radial, showing the construction of the tire, and 18 is the diameter of the wheel in inches. There's also a speed rating. The speed rating pretty much tells you the maximum speed that tire can handle. Check out the speed rating list in the description. When it comes to choosing the right tire, it's all about balance. No pun intended. You need to consider your vehicle's requirements, your driving habits, and typical weather conditions where you live. Think about the kind of driving you do most often, and what you're looking for in terms of comfort, performance, and fuel efficiency. But what are the 3 top things you look for when choosing a tire? But once you've got the right tire, it is crucial to take good care of them. Keep your tire pressure in check. Incorrect pressure can lead to poor performance, increased wear, and blowouts. Try rotating your tires around every oil change to ensure even wear. And don't forget to check your tread. If it's worn down to 2/32 of an inch, it's time to replace them. If they're bald, it's time to replace them. Do you have any maintenance tips that you want to share? Let us know down in the comments.